So a Land Rover Defender at this price point and with this bespoke styling will absolutely fly out undoubtedly. And then what it's also got is the condition. This 70 plate Defender 110 D200 has only got 26,000 miles on it. It's been very well looked after, and straight away when you first watch this video you'll notice how unique and bespoke it is. It's a white car in colour, but then you've also got a lot of black, gloss black features going throughout it. Gloss black roof, bonnet, you've even got the decals on the side, black bumper, so it's just a great looking car. It's been very well looked after. It's a customer who's known to ourselves who's came in and bought another vehicle from us. Great looking, plenty of spec. These come standard with air suspension on this age, so I'll show you that when we get in. It's also got some other features on it as well, but for me, the styling of this is very unique, but it's been planned very well. So I've mentioned the exterior, you've also got the wide arches as well, and when you come round to the side, that full colour pattern and colourway just continues. So you've got the wide arches, you've got All Terrain Tyres there, Goodyear All Terrain Tyres, so plenty of life left in them. 20-inch gloss black alloys, multi-spokes, and then it just continues down the side. 110 decals, just giving it that nice off-road feel. Black roof we've already mentioned. Fixed side steps. So not to forget, these are a family SUV, so there's plenty of space in the rear. Fixed side steps to help the smaller people get in and out of them. Isofix seats on the outer edges as well, so if you have got small children then you don't need to worry about that. Black door handles, which usually you would think don't work very well, but with this full colourway they just fit in very nicely. Spare wheel cover, big one for me is a tow bar. This car tends to attract families, so if you are going to use it as a tow caravan, horse box, or even bike rack, anything like that, it's already in there. Huge boot space, as Defender 110s come with. You'll also notice that fixed spoiler at the back again, so whoever's planned this to begin with has just really thought out. They made a very cool, stylish looking Defender, but then they've also maintained it very well. It's been very well looked after, very carefully owned, 26,000 miles. When you usually find a Defender of this age, and this price range, they look a bit tired, they've got a lot of miles on them, haven't really been looked after anywhere near as good as this one has. When I jump in, obviously this one has a cloth upholstery, but there's no signs of wear or tear to it, like on a leather, they'll wear quite easy. This one hasn't done that at all. Jump in, the exact mileage is 26,532, so from a 70 plate, it's hardly done any miles whatsoever. Air suspension, I've mentioned that now is a £2,000 option. Standard on this car, you've got dual zone climate, you've got that original display. Rear view camera, aerial view camera, so you've got all those specs, and then Apple CarPlay, Android equivalent, everything like that. Nice little feature on these for me is you've got USB charging points all over them, so again, if the kids are in the car, you've got iPads, iPhones that need charging, you've got all the capabilities to do so, but plenty of space. And when the first person to see this in real life, or even just see the exterior, will know how well it's been looked after. But if you come and see it in person, you'll just see there's no signs of wear or tear. Whoever's had it, been a very careful person, looked after it nicely. So again, just to recap the price point, the bespoke styling and the mileage, this will 100% sell very quickly. So my number is below, please contact me directly, and I look forward to speaking to you.